In terms of Scoot's network, where is the airline looking towards it in terms of growth?
Well, we certainly are still concentrating on the key markets of China. So we have been taking over points from our sister company SilkAir, and all those are still going to go ahead. We also have new points in Indonesia as well. So these two will form the broad basis of our growth for the upcoming year. So we have Wuhan in China, and we are going to add on Fuzhou, Kunming, Changsha. For the Indonesian points, we have Balikpapan, we have Makassar. In total, we have more than 5 points in Indonesia that we're going to fly to.
How much of a hindrance to growth plans was the suspension of the 14 Boeing 737-800 NGs from SilkAir to Scoot?
Certainly in 2019, there will be some impact to us. We are able to get some additional capacity out of our own fleet. For example, we've extended the lease on one of our 320ceos. We also had two of the older A320ceos which we were intending to sell later this year. Now we will simply retain them. That doesn't fully cover for what the 737NGs would have brought to us. I think 2020 we've talked a little bit about going out to the market to try and get additional aircraft, and because that is still some time away, we are confident that we are able to secure these resources to bring us back to basically what we had been planning before, the decision not to transfer these aircraft.
What are some of your biggest challenges as CEO, and where does competition lie within that?
Well, competition is par for the course. There are many players in the markets around our region, and so we expect that. We know we always have to be one step ahead of them. With the merger of Scoot and Tiger Air way back in 2016, we already put ourselves on a much better platform to tackle the competition because of the scaling up of our overall growth, our base. And we think we have a decent base load now to be able to meet the competition head on. We are, of course, a member of the Singapore Airlines family, and that brings about a lot of advantages to us. Economies of scale, clearly, in terms of purchasing power, ability to negotiate with suppliers, with service providers, whether it is for aircraft or whether it is for maintenance services. We are able to enjoy that kind of pricing that a different independent airline would not be able to enjoy. Of course, we are also leveraging on Singapore Airlines Group distribution power to address some of the small and medium enterprise market. Scoot is not really a corporate player per se, but there are some SMEs who, for purposes of trying to achieve lower travel costs, do travel on budget airlines like Scoot. Finally, I think, all of these are all very analytical and clinical solutions. But at the end of the day, it's about the brand. It's about how we engage with our customers through our brand and what we stand for. And we hope that we can continue to do that and continue to build a loyal customer base.